Taco's got the green pumps, green pumps, green pumps. Taco's got the green pumps now. Can you dig it? Taco's got the green pumps, green pumps, green pumps. Taco's got the green pumps now.
Thanks, Mark. We've got a lot of interesting things that we've been working on since I've been at Taco, starting in 2007, to get the message to contractors and wholesalers and reps about some of the things that we have available here to help businesses grow or become more profitable, or become more successful. Started with the FlowPro team that was launched in 2007. The FlowPro team's goal was fairly simple. It was to provide programs and services and support to help our customers, contractors specifically, to reach the level of success that they want, to be as profitable as they want to be as successful as they want to be. Whatever we can do to help further that goal, help them achieve that goal, is going to benefit everybody. So that was the driving force behind the FlowPro team. Started in 2007 with simply the FlowPro team website, a gathering place to disperse all of the information that we have. We started to populate it with training presentations, videos, narrated PowerPoints, all that sort of thing, where a customer could go at their own convenience, at their own time, to get the information that they want and need about a product, about a concept, etc. In 2008, we introduced our factory training program for FlowPro team members, a pretty aggressive three-pronged approach, 3 separate classes. Each class was a 2-day program at the factory, where we could spend 2 days with a customer, show them our facility, but also share with them information on boiler piping, control strategies, wiring, information on radiant systems, and information about our FlowPro Designer software, which we also introduced back then. A lot of hands-on learning was also available. In 2009, we took the programs a step further by introducing something called the Neighborhood. Now, the Neighborhood, everybody here I think knows about Facebook. The Neighborhood is kind of like a Facebook for wet heads. It's a community, a professional, social networking community for learning and for sharing. We find that if we could, rather than just have one-to-one communication or top-down communication, if you will, like most websites where we give you the information we want you to know, we kind of thought it might be a better approach to take advantage of this whole web thing and networking thing and have multi-way communication where our customers can communicate with one another, contractors, wholesalers, reps can communicate with one another, and we can communicate with them. Not only one-way, but 2-way, 4-way, 6-way communication. Give the customers an opportunity to give us their feedback, give us their opinion, so we can serve them better. It started out with just myself and Rob Pereri, who's our FlowPro Designer guru guy, as an experiment in January of 2009. Today we have 930 members and growing. We have discussion groups and forums on any topic you can imagine. My God, we even have a book club where we're reading industry-related books and sharing information and talking about that kind of stuff. One of the premier members of the neighborhood community is a gentleman right in back there, Eric Ani. Say hi, Eric. Eric was one of the charter members of the neighborhood and a leading citizen of Taco's neighborhood, if you will. So the neighborhood's a growing and vibrant part of that. We're using the neighborhood for communication with our reps and with our contractor customers as well to kind of, again, create this level of partnership. In addition, we introduced last year 2 things. One is a blog. I write a bi-weekly blog on various issues that you can access through our website, through our Facebook site, which is another initiative we have. We have about 1,600 fans on our Facebook site where we make it very highly interactive. We also introduced something called the Taco e-learning, or FlowPro University. It's our e-learning program where we have highly produced, narrated training presentations, long format training presentations that a customer can sit at his desk at night after he's done working or over lunch or whatever, can view as many of the little individual segments as he wishes to at a given time on any topic that we have available. It's a great and very unique program for customers to learn at their own pace, if you will. You can see behind Chris there, we have a video screen going, and there, over the time you'll see some of the clips from these presentations show up. Each segment has a quiz, and at the end of each program there's a final exam that the customer has to take. They have to pass. If they pass, they get a certificate and a pin, and we teach them the secret handshake and all that other fun stuff. For 2011, our major initiative will be regular webinars twice a month, free 1-hour technical webinars for our customers. So they'll be able to log in and have an interactive educational program, again, at their own place, at their own, in front of their own computer, and be able to learn on a whole variety of subjects. And those will be, again, going every 2 weeks. Another thing we're introducing this year is the new version of the FlowPro Designer software. Introduced a few years ago, we have a new version coming out today. It's being released to the world today with a lot of great enhancements to make it easier to use and more productive. So a contractor can design his own system, get a materials list, do a heat loss analysis of a structure, and be able to serve his customers better. Because again, if we can help our customers serve their customers better, everybody wins. It's a heck of a partnership. So that's pretty much all I have.